Pixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this box. Basically it's a pencil box in a wizard shape. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken this cardboard roll. Over here you can also use a cardboard and make a cylindrical shape if you want, but I had this in my house, so I decided to make this. And I'll put a cardboard circle on the base and close it. Then I'll start painting it with skin color, and then I'll take this blue card paper and I'll put it over here. Once it's done, I'll take a white paper and I'll draw this cutout. These will be the long white beards which he has, and I'll just use my scissors and cut these out. Once it's done, as you can see, I'll take my pencil, fold it out a little bit. Now I'll stick it over here. This will be the nose, which is a slightly light pink foam sheet, and then I'll just take my marker and draw the eyes and the lips as well. He'll be wearing these circle shaped spectacles, so that's what I'm going to make over here. So after making the glasses, now what I'll do is that I'll take white paper and put some eyebrows. Then I'll take this blue card paper again and I'll just put some glue over here, brush it out with my brush and stick it so that I get these double shape. And then what I'll do is that I'll cut it over here and then fold it. So this will be the cap for the wizard. Then this is a ring. I'll put it over here. After it's done, I'll take this white paper, cut out these, and these will be the hair. So I'll put it over here. Then again I'll take some white cut paper and cut it out from one side. Then I'll use my pencil and fold it out, then put it over here for the back. These will be the hair, of course. Then I'll just put my pen inside it and then close this cap. So this is how it will contain all these pencils and pen. You can keep it inside. Now to just give more details, I'll just put these golden stars on the body and as well as the cap. Then these are two big stars, and then over here I'll take this toothpick and I'll put one star on one end and the other on the other. Then it will just help the stick stay in its place. Then I'll put it over here, and ta-da, my wizard pencil box is finally ready, guys. It was really easy. It took me a few minutes and it was done. I loved it, and it's very easy, so you can try it at your own also. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.